Are you moving to the UK to start your healthcare career and taking your ever first flight? Are you ready and well set for the flight? As exciting as it may seem, preparing for the first flight can be stressful and overwhelming. On top of that, traveling to a completely new country on your own and having to cope with flight anxieties, including successfully navigating immigration checks, can feel very intimidating. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to prepare your journey and to make your first flight smooth and stress-free. For those tuning in for the first time, welcome to Care Pointers. I'm Nesdori, your virtual presenter. To our subscribers, thank you very much for supporting our channel. You are the reason we are motivated to post videos. And to those tuning in for the first time, please subscribe, like and share. Also turn on the notification icon for upcoming videos. So let's get started. Firstly, I'll talk about preparations you need to make before the flight date. One of the most important things you need to do is to get a full health check at least 4 to 6 weeks before you travel. This is to discuss with the doctor any pre-existing conditions like high blood pressure or diabetes. Also get necessary medications and carry a prescription to show at the immigration in case you are questioned. If you suffer from a chronic illness like diabetes, carrying a doctor's letter will be useful for continuity of care when you arrive in the UK. You can also get travel insurance that covers medical emergencies, and this will cover you in case you become unwell during your flight and need medical attention. The other important preparation is your documents. Make sure you have all the documents like a passport stamped with a visa, flight tickets and boarding pass, offer letter and a certificate of sponsorship, proof of accommodation, health documents like TB test, COVID vaccine certificate. When it comes to packing, you need to pack smartly. Be mindful of the UK weather as it can be very unpredictable. So you need to pack warm clothing and don't forget a warm jacket and a coat. Comfortable shoes are a must, bearing in mind that most healthcare jobs require you to be on your feet for long hours. For basic toiletries, keep liquids under 100 ml in your hand luggage. Now that you are ready for your flight, it's time to head to the airport. Arrive 3 hours before your flight. This allows time to conveniently check in your luggage, pass through security, and find your gate and relax before boarding. Let's talk about what happens during the flight. First-time flights can be exciting and at the same time scary for some people. Some people have fear of heights, and lack of control can cause nervousness and like driving your own car. For example, when you are worrying about immigration, stories about plane crashes and the like, all these things can cause a lot of nervousness. So if you are nervous, take deep breaths. Also distract yourself by reading a book or listening to music. Talk to someone or the flight attendants as they are trained to help anxious passengers. You can also visualize a positive experience. For instance, imagine yourself landing safely and enjoying your trip. Now that you have landed in the UK, what next? Follow the sign to immigration and answer the immigration officer's questions confidently. Questions you are likely to be asked will include your purpose of travel, your employer's details, your address in the UK, and even proof of funds. Once you are through with immigration, collect your luggage and head to arrival. That's it. You've made it. Your new journey in the UK starts now. If you found this helpful, share it with someone preparing for their flights. Thank you for staying with me to the end. Please like, subscribe and share. Comment below and Nesdori is ready to help. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.